how can I filter out exceptional sales? So frePPLe will automatically detect the outliers. This is in the problem report under the sales menu. So I have different problems, but I need to make sure I'm going to spot the outliers. So I have to add in the filters that the name should contain outlier. So now I have the list of outliers that have been detected by frePPLe. I can see that Novak Racket at Paris has a lot of outliers. So I can navigate to forecast editor under the sales menu, then look for Novak Racket in Paris. And the outliers are very easy to spot because they have an exclamation mark triangle here. So it means that frePPLe has found that this value is an outlier. So I can make an adjustment. I can remove, for instance, a quantity of 2 for this one or a quantity of 1 for this one. So frePPLe will consider 4 for this one and 3 for this one when computing the forecast. Then I'm saving.